When I was in school, I failed my GCSEs. I only came out with 3 Ds. I was 23 and landed myself a groundworker's job on the motorway. Spent 5 years groundworking, and then at 28 I decided to pursue a career in quantity surveying. So I put myself through 4 years of education, 2 years HNC, 2 years degree, and came out with a degree with honours 4 years later, and here I am. My job entails tasks such as cost to complete, cash flow forecast, interim applications at the end of the month, valuations to subcontractors if you have subcontractors under you. My job also entails pricing variations, so any additional works that happen on site. I enjoy going to site, so I get to go to site, so I'm not just stuck behind a computer all day. I get to go out, I get to measure, speak to the lads, see what's going on. Anything new, you're learning something new as well, like other works that's going on. I plan on being a chartered quantity surveyor, so that's the next goal for myself. If you're at a younger age and you do feel like you're not succeeding in your GCSEs, there's plenty of time to kick in a gear and get somewhere, get some life experience, and then tuck into any form of education. It'll help you along the way.